Now to find your local Bitcoin, you can visit coinatmradar.com, and here you can find ATM near you. Now there are 1325 Bitcoin ATMs around the world within 56 countries, and 11 producers and 224 operators operate them. Now let me show you here. This is the map, and it shows where those ATMs are installed. If you're in US, you can just click on your state and it will show you where they are based. If you're in Canada, just click your state and it will show you. It will even show you what this ATM offers. Example, this ATM. It is based on this address. It offers Bitcoin, but it offers only buy only. That is, you can buy from them. Fees are unknown to this ATM, coinatmradar.com. However, there are limits per transaction. That is, you can only buy till $2,900. And ATM type is general bytes. Now let's go to another ATM. Here. This ATM is based on this address and it accepts buy and sell. So you can do both. Fees are unknown, but there are limits. You can buy $9,900 in transaction and per transaction and sell $2,900 per transaction. So you need to make different transactions. And as I understand, because it's mentioning transaction, so it means the fees will be based on per transaction basis. And ATM type is general coin. Now let us move back. Here we go. Let's move to another country. Here we go, Thailand. Now in Thailand, you can find the Bitcoin ATM on this address. You can use buy and sell, and fees offered are 8%, so they're really expensive. ATM type is bit access, but it's really expensive. Let's find in Malaysia. They have two. In Kuala Lumpur, you will find the ATM at this place, at this address. However, their fees are like for buy 5% and for sell 10%. The ATM type is local Bitcoins. So you can use the ATMs as well if you need to use. However, the fees really pisses me off because they're really high. Let me check some more things. You can even search it according to the countries list. So these are the major currencies that the ATM offers. Like in these countries, you can find an ATM easily. Otherwise, it's really hard. So you can use this website and find your nearest ATM to buy or sell Bitcoin. Thank you.